So I'm a little bit confused. So okay, so this is Tuesday for a little bit more than an hour. So I'm assuming I don't count today. Um, so Wednesday, Thursday, and then I don't know if I count Friday. So it's either 2 or 3 days, possibly even 4 if I should have counted today or something. Anyway, I don't know if I will actually do this countdown thing after all because I'm so confused about it. But I'm still really excited. Yeah, I'm still excited. Yay! Oh, talking about seeing Corey Hart in concert.